If you're looking to build a client onboarding workflow with task boards and you want it done simply and efficiently, this is the only 3-minute tutorial you'll need. I've tested the most popular platforms out there, and by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to set up a smooth onboarding system your clients will love. And I'll even hook you up with an exclusive free trial to the software we're using. Stick around till the end, because there's one key step most people miss that can make or break your onboarding process. First, start by creating a new board inside the software. You can name it something like Client Onboarding, your business name, so it's easily recognizable by your team. Create 4 columns: New Client, Onboarding in Progress, Waiting on Client, and Onboarding Complete. These stages will give your workflow clarity from start to finish. Now, under the New Client column, create a task card for every new client as they come in. Each task card should include the client's name and a checklist inside. Your checklist should include things like send welcome email, sign contract, collect key documents, schedule kickoff call, and send intro to point of contact. These are your repeatable onboarding steps. Once you move a client's card to Onboarding in Progress, the checklist becomes your execution guide. As each item is completed, check it off. Your team and client will know exactly where things stand. You can also assign specific checklist items to team members and set deadlines to make sure nothing gets delayed. The Waiting on Client column is key. When you're waiting on something like documents or responses, drag their card into this column. This creates instant visibility, so your team knows not to keep chasing internal tasks when the next move is on the client. Finally, once everything's done, drag the card to Onboarding Complete. You can even automate a final thank you email or a feedback request using software integrations. That step alone can improve client retention and get you referrals. The beauty of using task boards for client onboarding is how repeatable and scalable it becomes. You only need to set this up once, and you can duplicate the workflow for every new client moving forward. This is exactly how teams stay organized, avoid dropped balls, and make a great first impression with every new client. Here's your key takeaway. A simple task board, when structured properly, can completely transform your client onboarding. It's not just about checking boxes, it's about building trust, showing professionalism, and saving hours of back and forth. Quick recap. Set up your columns, create a repeatable checklist, assign and track tasks, highlight when you're waiting on the client, and automate final steps where possible. And don't forget, if you want to follow along or just want to try the software we used, there's an exclusive free trial link in the description, available only to viewers of my channel. Use it to get started instantly. Thanks for watching. Build smart, onboard better.